Hello guys, today I am going to show you how you can install Android on your Windows operating system. First of all, we need to download the Android operating system. I will provide this link into the description. Uh, Go to this link, and this is the OS Boxes website, and scroll below. You can choose whatever Android version you want. I am going to choose this one, Android 9 Pie. Also, if you are using VirtualBox, select this one, and if you are using VMware, please select this one. I am using VirtualBox. I am going to show you. Here is my VirtualBox, Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. So also my Windows version is 64-bit, so I will download this one. I have already downloaded the file, so I have downloaded it here. Now go to your VirtualBox Manager and select new and name it whatever name you want. I am going to name it T-Stack or Trick 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Select the machine folder. Machine folder means where your Android operating system will be installed. I am going to select it. Actually, I am going to make a new folder and name it Android machine. Then select this Android machine folder where the Android operating system will be installed, and select Linux type and select select version 64-bit, this one. Then use an existing virtual hard disk file, because we have downloaded the virtual disk file. That is VDI extension. I am going to show you. This is the VDI extension, as you can see. So select this one, use an existing virtual hard disk file. Also, please give the RAM size. I am going to give it 4 GB for now. You can give it at least 2 GB. So create. I have already created the machine. Now go to the setting, and in general, please go to the advanced and select the bidirectional, also this one bidirectional, and go to the system. I am going to give it to processor. If you use better CPU, you can use 4 cores or whatever you want. I give it 2 cores. And now display, please note this, you must select this one, VBox VGA, VBox VGA. Otherwise your um, Android operating system graphical interface will not show. So this one, select this one and give the memory to max. Now go to the storage, Android 9 VDI. Now click here. Now select, you need to I have already selected it. Now I am going to remove the attachment and add again, so you guys can understand. This one, select this one, add this one. Now go to the download, where I downloaded the Android operating system VDI extension file. So select this one, open. then choose. Now everything looks okay, so press ok. Now start the Android operating system. Please wait. Okay, we are into the Android operating system, so select first one. Now it's starting. It's the Android console. As you can see, the Android operating system already started. So as you can see, here is the Android operating system. That's it. Thanks for watching me. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Goodbye.